Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I picked up some needed supplies, as you can see. Thanks to what happened a few months ago, I ended up having to get more undergarments, and they are now almost $29, like a few cents short of $30. And I'm gonna try to fix my recliner. The footstool doesn't come down very easy, and it's very hard for me to use. So I haven't been able to use it. So hopefully this is supposed to work really well. And this was almost $7. So thankfully I don't have to use it for much, so it will last me quite a long time. But anyways, I had to replace things that I had that now I don't. So yeah, it was quite costly. So I'm still finding things that I don't have anymore and having to replace them as I find them. But thankfully my order finally came in. I've been waiting for a while for these, but yeah, it's really hard to replace the stuff that you need nowadays. And I know you all know that, and you have to go through that too. So alright, this is just a short little video on my Walmart delivery today. Well, it was shipped, not delivered. But I tend to use those words interchangeably, but they are totally different on the websites. So anyways, enough of this. Alright, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.